Hi, this is Henry, and welcome to HC Strategies. So, in today's course, it's going to be all about cryptocurrency, and I'm going to start with talking about the tools that we're going to be using for this course. So, these tools are what we're going to be using both for crypto trading and also crypto investing as well. And the first one is CoinMarketCap. So, this is basically where we use this to check a lot of fundamentals about the crypto things like, for example, we're looking at Bitcoin right here. And we use this to check the market cap for Bitcoin. So you can see right here, $850 billion. We also use it to check the volume, which is about $23 billion for today. And we also use it to check the circulating supply in Bitcoin as well, which as you can see, about 19.6 million is already in circulation. We also use it to check the total supply and the max supply, which is 21 million. So there's about 21 million Bitcoin in circulation. There's total amount of Bitcoin in the whole world is 21 million, and there can never be more or less of that. So it's just 21 million. So as people buy it, some people are going to lose their Bitcoin due to misplacing their wallet address or something like that. So the amount of Bitcoin can in circulation can actually reduce because people who lose their Bitcoins and they are not able to retrieve the Bitcoin, or people who died and their family is not able to retrieve their Bitcoin, those Bitcoins are gone forever. Now, so far, there's 21 million Bitcoin, and as you can see, the fully diluted market cap, which means the entirety of the market cap for Bitcoin is 910 billion. Now, if you scroll down here, you can see that the all-time low for Bitcoin is 0.04 and the all-time high is 68,000. Now, the reason why it's very relevant to understand this is I'm using Bitcoin as a point of reference. Now, as you're going through this course, you're going to learn how you can also do this with other cryptocurrencies that will teach you how to do your due diligence, how to do a research, how to understand which asset is an undervalued asset. So you will know which asset that you will be able to trade and which asset that you want to invest in the long term or the short term. So me explaining this stuff, you will see consistently as we move forward in depth in this course, you will see why this is very relevant for you to understand this. Now, after talking about this, the next thing we're going to look at is other tools that we'll be using for this course. And another one is Binance. But before we get into that, as you can see right here, we have the Fear and Greed Index. Now, this Fear and Greed Index is basically to check the sentiments in the marketplace, whether the investors are greedy or whether they're fearful. So if you want to invest in the crypto market, you want to invest when people are fearful and you want to sell when people are extremely greedy, because when people are extremely greedy, it means that the dumb money has come into the market. Now, when people are extremely fearful, it means that the institutions, this is when the institutions are looking forward to get into the market. So in as much as this is not 100% certainty that when you buy at extreme fear that the market is going to now potentially rally, the market could still potentially be in a bear market and you could hold the coin or whatever asset class that you're holding, it could still be going down. So we are going to teach you how you can do your fundamental analysis. And after that, you can just use the Fear and Greed Index as an added bonus, right? It's not going to be you investing based off the Fear and Greed Index. You're going to be investing based off your knowledge of the fundamentals, aligning with the technicals, and then you can use the Fear and Greed Index as an added confluence. So that being said, now we're going to look at the tools that you're going to be using for your trading and investing in cryptocurrency. And one of them right here is Binance, as you can see right there. And the next one is KuCoin as well. You can use KuCoin to invest in undervalued low cap coins. And you can also use 1inch as well to invest in low cap coins that are not yet in any exchanges. So KuCoin is basically a decentralized exchange, but 1inch is basically a decentralized exchange, but KuCoin and Binance are centralized exchanges. So for 1inch, you can use this to buy coins that are not yet in any exchange. So you can basically buy off things like PancakeSwap. You can use this 1inch to buy off those dexes. So those are the major tools that you're going to be needing for this course. And when you learn how to trade and how to invest, the last but not the least is what we're looking at right here, which is TradingView. So TradingView is basically what you're going to be using to do your technical analysis. Now, you do all the technical analysis, which we're also going to talk about on this course, how you do your technical analysis, understand the market structure, and then you align that with your fundamentals analysis. And we're also going to show you how we use ChatGPT as well in doing more in-depth research. So before you're making an investment, you can use that as a confluence to do more research to understand whether this protocol has the potential to go to the upside or whether it doesn't really have that potential. So it's not really you're investing off ChatGPT, but you are investing off the knowledge of the AI to understand more in depth and have an added confluence to show you that what you're doing, what you're investing is the right one. So I'm going to end this here, and in the next video, I'm going to go more in depth. So I'll talk to you in the next video.